Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to package a client's cake. So I've got these items. I've got my cling film scissors, my sellotape, my bubble wrap. I've got my cake box. So I'm going to be using these items to pack my cake. So first of all, I just open up all my cling film and I cling film it as much as possible because I want to make sure this cake gets there intact without too many scratches. You know, it's very important that your client gets the best. So that's why I am packaging this like this. I mean, I try to, once I put a layer on, I try to find out and kind of feel it and see, oh, is this thing going to work like this, and will it be safe? Will it be if it gets bumped or put the wrong way, will it fall over? The cake kind of slide from the cake board and all that. So I kind of think about all these things while I am packing. So if you know any other tips for all those who are experts in this, please do let me know. So yeah, this is it. I packaged everything and it got there intact, and I was so happy about this. Please like, share and subscribe and comment. I appreciate you. Thank you.